In this video we're going to complete the box problem from the previous video. And at the end of the last video we saw that the surface area was given by taking the square of the width of the base of the box and then adding to it 320 divided by the width. For the purposes of GeoGebra we're going to replace W with just X, and we'll do one other thing, which is, well, we know that we don't want to actually go between, or rather below, W equals 0, or in this case X equals 0. So when I put in the function, I'll use the function command, add 320 over X, and then only go from 0 to infinity. Okay, and per usual, when I hit enter, I actually don't see any graph pop up. But if I think about it, it makes sense. If you put, say, X equals 1 into the formula, okay, well, this is 1 squared, that's 1, that hardly does anything, but you get 320 divided by 1, so you're already going all the way up to 320, which is well past 6. Okay, so maybe I'll change the graphics view so that I can see some Y values are a little bit higher, so maybe I'll start at like 50, and I'll send it up to 600. Oops, see if we can get that down to 50. Okay, now we get to see our graph a little bit. Okay, so we'll move it around a little bit. Very nice. So we get some sort of almost like a hyperbola looking shape. It would be a hyperbola if it wasn't for that x squared, which seems to mess things up a little bit. Alright, but this represents our surface area. And, well, it's pretty clear. As you go off in either direction, you're getting a surface area which goes to infinity, but there is clearly some sort of low point around here. Okay, to find it, we play our normal game. I'm going to stick a point on here somewhere, doesn't really matter where. I'm going to add tangent lines to the curve. Oops. Try that again. Alright. And now my goal is to simply take the tangent line, which is given up here, and find a point where the slope is 0. Alright, so we drag it around. And okay, so again, we're not going to find it exactly here, but we can see it's somewhere between 5.42 and 5.44 as the x-coordinate. And the surface area, well, it looks to be about 88.42 square inches. Right. So if we want to build this box so that it has 80 cubic inches of volume but minimizes the amount of material we have to use, then it looks like somewhere about 5.43 maybe, 5.42, 5.44, we're not exactly sure yet. That's the width of the square at the bottom. And of course the height of the box is completely determined by the width. So that's how we can do it.